Hello everybody, welcome to my tutorial. Today I'm going to be using minimal product and creating a maximum result. Starting with Clinique foundation. This is even better foundation in the color number 5, neutral. I start applying in the center, feathering the remaining outwards and the perimeter of my face. Very light coverage. Now with my best teacher ever bag, I'm going to take out the Bye Bye Under Eye by JORDANA Cosmetics, and this is in the color medium. I only apply this on the center of my face and setting it with the CC powder in light. As you can see, it's ready for dimension. This look, Kevyn Aucoin Neo Bronzer in Capri. I'm going to be applying the darkest shade in the perimeter of my face using a large powder brush. This is a crown powder brush. I want something that's going to be light and diffused. That's why I'm using a larger brush. Going in with the California Dreaming Lorac Cheek Palette, I'm going to be mixing in Sunlight, Ray, and Golden Hour and applying it right over the areas as previously done with Kevyn Aucoin. I'm then going to be taking a blush brush and mixing Wavelength and Ray and only applying this onto the apples of my cheeks, and you can see it's adding a little bit more warmth and a little bit more liveliness to my skin. Going in with Sunlight, I'm going to be applying this as a luminizer onto the highest points of my cheeks. You can see the difference it's already creating, a lot of dimension and a lot of texture. Now we're going to go in with the Jordana eyebrow pencil and eyebrow gel. Look at this, my little baby dog. Well, she's not a baby anymore, but she's 14 and she loves to make appearances in my videos. I love her so much, my baby. It's my mama. Now going in with my brow gel from Jordana, I'm going to be lightening up my brows and cleaning up my brow shape underneath with the JORDANA Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. So now we're ready to go into the Pat McGrath Mothership Sublime Bronze Temptation palette. I'm going to be beginning by creating my shading with the eyeshadow shade Corruption. Build as much as you prefer. I wanted more medium coverage in this specific look. Going in with Supernova, I'm going to go in with a smaller blending brush, more detail work in the outer edge to give a more lifted look, and applying on the waterline. Now with my ring finger, I'm going to go into Provocatrix, and I'm going to be applying it for maximum saturation on the lid and opalescent finish. Now when I'm using minimal product, I have to create a maximum result. I have to compromise, so why not go dramatic with the liner? I'm going to be using the Lorac pencil to complete the cat eye effect. Magnitude eyeliner and lashes have changed my makeup game. Applying the Magnitude eyeliner is going to have the lashes adhere to it. While it's drying, we're going to continue to move on with the next step, which is reapplying the previous steps to enhance the look, right? And this is to our own preference. I like to add more depth and dimension into my look once my eyeliner has been created, because it just creates harmony in the look. Everything looks connected, you see? Wow. Now, I like to apply more blush, more bronzer, more luminizer, just so that I can see my vision a little bit more clear. And you can see that the camera is picking up the colors a little bit better. Maneater mascara is what I'm going to use to prep my lashes. Look at this. Woo! Easy application. I didn't even have to think about it. And look at the difference it creates. Look at that. Pat McGrath Lipstick translates so beautifully onto the camera and it lasts all day. It's not a liquid lipstick, but this lipstick sets on its own. I love it so much. I sell these magnetic lashes on KianaGhost.com. I wanted to just thank you guys so much for watching and for following me on this journey on social media platforms. I am on every social media: Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest. I'm everywhere, mamas and papitos. Follow me and we will see more shopping videos and tutorials. See you soon. Mwah.